Alright, ordered one of these Flexzilla 50-foot extension cords on a reel. It's a 14 gauge, 13 amps. Let's check out what's in the box. Very short cord. Might have problems mounting this where I wanted to. Got a light up end here. Pretty cool. Alright, well, let's get it installed. Alright, I want to get it installed here between the two garages. I usually have a car parked here and a car parked there, which makes it hard to get to any of the plugins along the wall. The problem I see right away is that plug-in might be more than 4 feet, which the lead wire is on that. So might have to be moving an outlet as well. Let's I didn't wash this brush very good last time I used it, but it should work for what we're doing here. I think that should do it. Actually found something that works a little bit better. Some of these panhead screws should work a little bit better and look better with a smaller washer. Something like that. Alright, so it looks like no mounting hardware included. So we're gonna have to find something that will fit these. And also, you have to remove this bracket, mount the bracket, and then reattach the reel to the bracket. So let's figure that out. Looks like a couple of screws right there. Alright, let's go get this bracket installed. I have to find some pretty big screws or use some of those big washers I had earlier. So I think this is the winning combination here. Using those panhead screws from earlier with the big washers. And this one in the middle doesn't really need a washer, but I just wanted to keep it uniform. So let's get that mounted up there, and then might even spray paint this black just to hide it a little bit. So let's mark it up and get it up there. I'm gonna adjust this reel so it doesn't hang down so low. Pretty good. just remove it. Well, there's the finished product. And as I suspected, this cord is not long enough to reach that outlet. So I think I'll be extending that outlet, or adding another outlet off of that one somewhere right in here. That'll be another video. Yeah, I also removed the stop on that cord, low enough to reach. So can't wait to start using this. Works pretty well. All right, there it is.